Welcome to SAT-X. Solving radical expressions, very important for Math Olympiad. Question 22 by 7 root 147 plus 7 root 75 minus 9 root 27 minus 12. 22 by 7, this 147 we can write 49 times 3 plus 7 75 25 times 3 minus 9 27 9 times 3 minus 12 4 times 3 49 25 9 and 4, all the numbers are perfect square, and here is common thing 3 3 3 3. So this one we can write 22 by 7. So here is 49 times root 3 plus 7 25 times root 3 minus 9 root 9 times root 3 minus root 4 times root 3. Why? We know root AB equals to root A times root B. 22 by 7 times root 49 is a 7 times root 3 plus 7 times root 25 is a 5 times here is root 3 minus 9 times root 9 means 3, here is root 3 minus root 4 means 2 root 3. This 7 and this 7 out, so here is 22 root 3 plus 7 times 5 35 root 3 minus 9 times 3 27 root 3 minus 2 root 3. So 22 root 3 35 root 3, make summation, result will be 57 root 3 minus 27 root 3, and here is minus 2 root 3. So minus 27 and minus 2, it means minus 29 root 3. Now 57 root 3 minus 29 root 3, so result will be 28 root 3, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. Thank you.